guys, it's Marcel here again. Today I am going to cook you chicken curry, my own version of chicken curry, because there are so many ways how to cook chicken curry. But with my version, I think you might like it. So please get a pen and a paper, because I don't normally write down I don't normally write down all my recipe. What I do is I'm more like a talker. So I will tell you what my ingredients are as I talk. Because some people, they write it down, but me, I'm just a talker. Like I said, today I'm gonna cook your chicken curry, and you are gonna love this recipe. So please try it and tell me what you think. I think you might fall in love with me. You are going to leave me a comment, say, wow, I love that curry. Thank you for making me another recipe for today, because it is so lovely. It's gonna be so lovely, like, wow. You're gonna dance around like, yeah, I love me some curry. Alright guys, follow me in the kitchen, because I am about to put my hair up and get down and dirty. I'm gonna cook you chicken curry. Alright guys, follow me. Alright friends, here we go again. So today's menu, like I said, chicken curry. Here are the ingredients: coconut milk, we have fish sauce, turmeric powder. For those of you guys that doesn't know what turmeric powder looks like, you can use any brand you like when you go to the store. This is a turmeric powder. Black pepper here. Curry powder. You can use any kinds of curry powder. Now this one is a Thai paste. It's just a bunch of different kinds of chili hot pepper. Cinnamon stick. And palm sugar. You can use brown sugar if you don't have palm sugar. So I'm gonna begin by sauteing the garlic, the ginger, and the Thai paste. So keep on watching. That's the ginger and the garlic. You hear that nice sizzling sound? You don't have to use onions with this curry, but you can if you like. This is a Thai paste, about 1 teaspoon. If you want your chicken curry to be really spicy, you can always add more. You can buy the Thai paste anywhere you like, really. And if you don't have that Thai paste, all you gotta do is crush a bunch of different kinds of hot chili, hot chili, and make it a paste. Alright, that's the garlic, ginger, and Thai paste. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. That's 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Mix this a little bit. It smells so good. Alright, I just added that cinnamon stick. If you don't have cinnamon stick, don't worry about it. And you know what guys, a trick to this one also, if you have any grapefruit leaves or oranges leaves or lime leaves, you can also add it here. It will give you that nice aroma flavor. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add coconut milk. Not just a little bit, not the entire can. See that nice creamy sauce? Gravy, sauce, the same thing. So I have been cooking the sauce for about, I don't know, 5 minutes, just to get the oil out of all the spice, you know, with the curry, the turmeric powder, the hot chili paste, cinnamon stick, they're all here. Now, like I said, you can use also onions here, or you don't have to. It's your choice. I'm always giving you an exception. So, oops. Alright guys, stay tuned, keep on watching. Smells so good. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to cover this for about, I don't know, we'll see, 10 minutes. 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, guys, I am adding the fish sauce and the palm sugar. I'm gonna cover this for 5 more minutes. Alright guys, while this is cooking, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to cook sweet rice. You can either eat this with regular rice or sweet rice. So this is the sweet rice. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wash it and then cook this. This is about 1 cup. So this chicken curry has been cooking for about 15 minutes now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add the rest of the coconut milk. And I love spicy food. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some more pepper. I'm gonna cover this for about 10 minutes on low medium heat. Alright, it is finally done. Yay! Alright, I am going to the counter and taste this chicken curry and give you my input. If it's too spicy or if needed an extra fish sauce. I mean, I did not cook this with salt, guys. What I used was fish sauce because fish sauce is like healthier than using salt. So follow me to the counter. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright guys, this is a version of my chicken curry with sweet rice. This is a malagkit rice. And what I'm doing here, I'm trying to make you a meal. So put a little bit of sauce on top with a nice curry chicken. Isn't this lovely? I mean, guys, everybody loves curry. Alright guys, I just made you chicken curry. Isn't this lovely? Wow. Alright guys, come on down because I have plenty of chicken curry for you. So I cooked that sweet rice, that is a malagkit rice with chicken curry mixed with coconut milk, garlic, ginger, turmeric powder, curry powder, hot chili paste, fish sauce, and palm sugar, and black pepper. And guys, wow, it is amazing. And I also added extra hot chili pepper. Come on. Come on guys, let's eat. I've been cooking all day and it is time to party because what did I eat this morning? I don't think I ate anything. Maybe I had an apple. But here, check this curry. Isn't this lovely, guys? That's beautiful curry, isn't it? Here it is. I mean, look at this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. See the sauce? Wow. I love me some curry. I'm like, yay! The entire house smell like curry. So guys, come and join me. Whee! Wow. Wow. This is one. So creamy. So creamy. It's so delicious. Guys, try this at home. Now, a lot of people make different kinds of curry up there. Some people like it watery. Some people like the sauce a little bit thicker. So, I mean, you can make curry upon your liking. But if you are too sensitive with the spicy, all you have to do is drink milk. The milk will neutralize the spice out. So, once you drink milk, it will remove all the spicy out of your entire, mouth. So, you don't, you know what I mean. So it will neutralize the spicy for sure. And guys, it's so good. I wish that you are here with me right now because this is super yum. So I have been cooking all day, and this curry smells just so good. I don't even know if I want to sit down and really enjoy this curry because it's just so good. Wow. Wow. So try this recipe and tell me what you think about it. Leave me a comment, and I will see you again next time. Please do subscribe to my channel, and I will bring you another recipe maybe tomorrow or the next day. So it all depends. So thank you so much for watching. This is your friend Marie Marcel. I am going to eat the rest of this curry. Bow. Yummy. Alright guys, bye. Thank you for watching. God bless.